Hi, kids. Today we're going to talk about the environment. Can you say environment? Environment. Yeah, there you go. It's a long word, but we can say it. The environment is everything in the world around us. So it's the ground that we walk on, it's the water that fish swim in, and it's the air that we breathe. There are so many things we can do to take care of our environment, but one of the easiest and best things we can do is to put trash where it's supposed to go. Our trash goes into a trash can, like an empty bag of chips or a stinky diaper. Ew, those go into a trash can. Trash that we leave outside or throw on the ground is called litter, and litter makes our parks dirty, or the wind can blow it into our waters, like our rivers and our seas, and our ocean animals can get stuck in the trash. Some things, like empty bottles, cans, or boxes, don't go in trash cans. They go in recycling bins. Recycling is when plastic, metal, glass, and paper are used to make new things. Plastic bottles can be melted down to make all kinds of cool things, like kitchen bowls or parts for cars or even clothing. And paper, like empty cardboard boxes, can be broken down to make new things like cereal boxes or coloring books or anything else that can be made from recycled paper. When we recycle, we are collecting things that can be reused or turned into something else. Recycle these every time you can. Plastic, paper, metal, glass can be used again. Let's play a game. I'm going to put some pictures up and you tell me if they go into a trash can or a recycling bin. Remember, plastic, paper, metal, and glass can all be recycled. Ready? All right. What do you think about this one? This is a banana peel. Would that go in the trash can or in the recycling bin? Is it paper, plastic, metal, or glass? No. So a banana peel goes into the trash can. What about this empty bottle? Where would that empty bottle go? It looks like it's made out of plastic. Can we recycle plastic? Yeah, we can put it into a recycling bin. Or we can keep the bottle and we can make something new out of it, like a science experiment, or we can take it to the beach, or we can clean it out and we can reuse it. Okay, let's do one more. What about this one? This one's kind of hard. This is a used tissue. Is it plastic, paper, metal, or glass? It's kind of like paper, but it's really dirty. It's used and we can't clean it. So it will go in the trash. A used tissue or a dirty diaper or a pizza box with pizza all over it, anything that's dirty like that, if it's paper, needs to go in the trash. Good job. Wow, you have gotten so good at knowing what we put in the trash can and what we can recycle. Every time we recycle, we're doing something good for our environment. In fact, it's one of the best things we can do for our environment. Thank you for talking to me today about recycling. What should we talk about next time? Come back soon and find out. Bye.